Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to understand one of the most important concepts in Hibernate and Spring Boot, which is lazy fetching and eager fetching. Fetching strategy plays a very important role in database performance. Many developers use it without fully understanding how it actually works. In this video, we will clearly understand what lazy fetching is, what eager fetching is, how Hibernate loads related entities, and we will also use a real-world Netflix example to make the concept very clear. In most real-world applications, entities are connected with relationships. For example, a user can have many orders. A blog post can have many comments. A department can have many employees. When Hibernate loads a main entity, the important question is whether related data should also be loaded immediately. Should everything come together, or should the system load additional data only when it is needed? To solve this problem, Hibernate provides fetching strategies. The two main strategies are lazy fetching and eager fetching. Let us first understand eager fetching. Eager fetching means that when the main entity is loaded, all related entities are also loaded immediately. For example, if we load a user from the database, Hibernate will also load all orders related to that user at the same time. This means everything is fetched in a single step. While this can be useful in some situations, it can also create performance problems if the related data is very large. Now let us understand lazy fetching. Lazy fetching means that related data is not loaded immediately when the main entity is retrieved. Instead, Hibernate creates a proxy object for the relationship. When the application actually tries to access that related data, Hibernate then runs another database query to load it. In simple words, lazy fetching loads data only when it is required. This approach improves performance by avoiding unnecessary database operations. Let us understand this concept with a real-world example using Netflix. When you open Netflix, the system loads your home page. On that screen, you usually see your profile name, your continue watching section, and some recommended movies or shows. But Netflix does not load everything in your account. For example, it does not load your full payment history, all device details, or your complete watch history. Those sections are loaded only when you actually open them. Now imagine if Netflix used eager fetching. When you open the home page, Netflix would load your entire account information. This would include your complete watch history, payment details, devices, download history, and many other settings. Even though the user only wants to see the home page, this would create unnecessary database queries and slow down the application. This is the main Let us take a simple database example. Imagine we have two entities called user and orders. One user can have many orders. If we use eager fetching, whenever we load a user, all orders belonging to that user will also be loaded immediately. But if we use lazy fetching, Hibernate will load the user first. Lazy fetching also comes with a common issue called lazy initialization exception. This happens when Hibernate tries to load lazy data after the session has already been closed. For example, if a controller tries to access lazy data outside the transaction scope, Hibernate cannot fetch that data anymore. Developers must understand when lazy fetching is safe and when eager fetching or fetch joins should be used. It loads related entities immediately along with the parent entity. Lazy fetching improves performance by avoiding unnecessary data loading, while eager fetching ensures that all related data is available immediately. Let us summarize the concept. Lazy fetching loads related data only when it is required. Eager fetching loads related data immediately with the main entity. Lazy fetching usually helps improve performance, while eager fetching ensures that related data is available instantly. Choosing the correct fetching strategy is very important when building scalable and efficient applications. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment which Spring Boot or Hibernate concept you want to learn next.